everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching. Well, before we get started into this video, if you want to see me do this makeup look, just click here on the link and you guys can actually check out how I actually did this makeup look right here. So today's video is a review on the new Lilly Lashes that I have purchased. Okay, so by far these are the two pairs of my most expensive lashes, guys. By far. So this is in the shade Mink Doha and this is in the shade Mink Miami. So I'm actually going to review them, put it on and show you guys how it actually looks on and whether they are comfortable, how much of zest does it possess. If you want to find out, just keep on watching. So I'm going to try out these first lashes, which is the Mink Miami. And they look really fluffy, guys, and they feel very soft. Really luxurious lashes. So let's go ahead and try to put them on. I'm going to try one lashes and we'll see the before and after of how my face looks like. So guys, so if you guys are looking for a very subtle, natural lashes, this is not the video you should be watching. They are really full glam, guys. Look at the difference between this and this. Beautiful, right guys? Super beautiful, and it's not so heavy on the eyes. So if you are like very uncomfortable with thick lash bands, then this won't be the lashes that you will like, because their bands are like really thick. They have like very thick bands. So I'm just gonna go on and put on the other side and I'll be back. So this lashes is called Mink Miami, guys. I mean, it does have a little bit weight to it. The very uncomfortable, heavy lashes, guys. It's so sexy. So let's go ahead and try out Mink Doha right now. So the next one will be Mink Doha. They also seem very soft. So this is one side on. This is like a little bit much more subtle, but it just gives you the nice wing lash effect, guys. So I feel that this is a little bit lighter than Mink Miami because they are like full-on glam lashes. This is like super comfortable and super amazing, guys. Let's go on and try on the other side. So we have both on. They're really beautiful, guys. Really beautiful. So this is Mink Doha I have on. So yeah, overall, I really love the lashes a lot. But if you are not the type of person that loves like thick band lashes, then you will find this a little bit uncomfortable. And you can feel the lashes has a little bit of weight to it. You need to get used to these lashes because I also am not used to like thick bands, but this is like really comfortable, but I gotta get used to them. But I do have to say that the Mink Miami feels slightly more heavier than this. This is like way much more comfortable, very suitable for like every makeup look. So if you want to go and purchase these lashes, the link will be down in the description box below, so you can go and check them out. Truly hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a huge thumbs up and comment down below and let me know what you guys think about the lash. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me in Instagram and in Twitter. So I love you guys so much and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!